What's up, guys? We just off to the Quoz Art Festival, Film Festival, Festival.
Little Inception right there.
Little Inception. We've got 2 GoPros, running off the Hero 7, Hero 8. We're doing everything. Oh, that was a bust. Anyways, Quoz Arts Festival. What's up, Kat?
Not much.
Oh, good. You ready to see this?
Ready to see it.
Let's do it.
I got ish to do, flying through the sky in my parachute, dancing on the couch like I'm Tommy Cruise, on a one-man mission trying to see it through, yeah. I got the password, yeah, I finally got the password. Added up the numbers, now the math works. I got the way to make the path work. All these lights turning from...
What's that?
Hibiscus tea.
Hibiscus iced tea. How is it?
It's actually very good.
Good?
Yeah.
All these lights turning from red to green. Timing is everything, and it feels so good to shine. Gon' get a light. I'm living my best life, living my best life. So come and get a light. I'm living my best life, my best life. Hey, I'm popping like champagne. Glass half full of like every day.
I found Kathy. Kathy.
Yeah.
How are you enjoying the Quoz Arts Festival?
I'm really enjoying it.
You don't look like you're enjoying it.
No, because I'm trying to like concentrate and look at stuff at the same time, and I'm not able to.
Alright.
I want to see like everything.
Let's get back to it.
Babe, this place.
I got the password, yeah, I finally got the password. Laughing cause I got the cheat code to life, and we all gon' be alright, so come and get it like.
What are we doing? What's our next adventure in Dubai?
Just seen Smash Room. I think we should.
Guys, it's called the Smash Room. Literally, you can pick an object. A washing machine, a TV, flat screen TV, a microwave.
One object. There's like different rooms.
Yeah, you can do whatever you want.
For 30 dirham.
And you
For
just
30
smash
minutes.
the fuck out of it.
Thank God we have some use from your waitering.
Shining, nothing more I need, yeah. If you feel like this your best life, won't you sing with me?
What are you doing? He's stealing.
Alright, and that was it. That's a little journey through the Quoz Art Festival. Did you enjoy yourself?
It's really
Cool, right?
amazing.
Amazing. Beautiful day. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. See you. Bye.
Straks tot een
That's the vlogs.